In front of me is OPPO Reno6 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this OPPO. Firstly, you need to access Play Store, click on the search bar and type DevCheck. Then download this free app from this developer and open it. From this app, you can find out all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!